Do you know your brain can store 10x more without studying harder? Do you know top students don't have better brains? They just have better systems. They don't read more books, they remember more. What if I tell you your brain is not weak, you are just using it in the wrong way? Yes, your brain is like Ferrari, but most people are driving it like a bicycle. Now, some people say we have AI, ChatGPT, Google, Gemini. Why remember anything anymore? Let me tell you, you are missing something here. These futuristic tools are here to help us, to assist us, to make our jobs easier. They work and bombard information at the speed of supersonic jets. But if you don't know how to use them optimally, they are useless for us. Top performers and top earners are mastering these tools faster than ever. Even a newbie who uses them well can take your job. So you have to improve your learning speed. Let me tell you, today's jobs don't need as many specialists because mega AI tools are taking over specialist tasks. But companies now want strong generalists who can operate these tools and deliver results 10x faster. So to learn fast, your memory is your biggest superpower. Don't say it is outdated. In fact, it is more important than ever. And if you struggle to focus, forget what you study, or feel your recall is slow, stay with me because I'm gonna share 10 memory hacks that can transform how you study, work, and perform. And in the next 5 minutes, you will learn 10 memory secrets top performers use in interviews, exams, and office meetings, and even for long hour speeches. So let's dive in. Now, the hack number one, the 10 to 1 revision. Most people study once and then wonder why everything disappears before the exam. Study once is like writing on sand. The wave comes and it is gone. And that's why we need 10 to 1 revision rule. And it is so simple. Study now and revise after 10 minutes. Again revise after 2 days and then revise after 1 week. This settles information into long-term memory. In short, your brain needs repetition at the right intervals. Now coming to the hack number 2, use the memory palace technique. Your brain has the palace, you just need to fill it with the right images. The weirder the image, the better it is. Let me explain how it works. Every part of your house, every corner, sofa, fan, dining table, couch, fridge, etc. Now say you need to remember a shopping list. Milk, onion, carrot, eggs, bananas, mangoes. Now close your eyes and imagine a big carton of milk blocking your entrance door. See the onions lying on the carpet. Rabbits eating carrots on the dining table. Rotten eggs dripping on the sofa, and someone is sitting on the bunch of bananas on the couch. And when you open the fridge, mangoes fall out. Just do it once and see if you can forget them at the time of buying these groceries. Now the hack number 3, chunking. Break large information into meaningful chunks. For example, when you try to remember a phone number, your brain panics because it is too many digits. But here is the trick. Break it into chunks. 987-654-3210. So learning a long formula, break it into 3 parts instead of one scary equation. Memorizing a speech, chunk it into 5 key areas, not 47 sentences. Your brain doesn't remember randomness, it remembers patterns. So stop throwing messy information, instead organize it, chunk it, and package it well. Now the hack number 4, teach what you learn. Teaching boosts recall by 90%. If you can explain something to somebody, you have truly remembered it. Even teaching an imaginary person works well. And when you teach someone, your memory organizes the information clearly in your mind and strengthens your understanding. Now the hack number 5, sleep consolidation. Do you know a 20-minute nap after learning can improve your retention? Yes, a nap of 20 minutes, not 3 hours, just 20 minutes. Your brain literally replays what you learned and strengthens the connections and file it away properly. Short nap boosts retention by up to 30%. So don't assume that a short nap is a wasted time. It is when learning actually sticks. Now coming to the hack number 6, passive exposure builds recall. The smartest way to learn is repetition without effort. Let your surroundings do the studying for you. And how to do that? Put key formulas on your wall, stick notes on your bathroom mirror, and make that tricky equation your phone wallpaper. Put flashcards on your desk. So everywhere you look, there it is. Your brain sees them 10, 20, 50 times a day without you even trying. Every glance becomes a micro revision, and this works insanely well for formulas, definitions, vocabulary, or key dates. Now, the hack number 7, active recall. You know what most people do after studying? They reread again and again. And rereading is passive, your eyes moves, but your brain is on autopilot. Nothing actually is sticking. So test yourself instead of just rereading. Close the book and try to recall what you remember. This is called active recall, and a study shows that one session of active recall beats 3 sessions of passive review. So stop rereading and start retrieving. Now, the hack number 8, study for 25 minutes followed by 5-minute breaks. You know, focus is what defines your effectiveness. And your brain is not built for marathon focus, it is built for sprints. So study for 25 minutes, full focus, zero distractions. Then take a 5-minute break, and that's it. And that is called Pomodoro technique. And during the 5-minute break, stand up, stretch, grab water, look out the window, and let your brain breathe. Just follow 25 minutes of beast mode and 5 minutes of rest and repeat. I bet you will see massive improvement. Now, coming to the hack number 9, connect and conquer. Connect new informations to things you already know. The more links you create, the easier the recall becomes. Ask why this happens, how does this work, etc. Your brain starts building meaning instead of memorizing blindly. You can turn information into short story or a funny scenes. Stories stick because your brain loves patterns. And you can also connect a new concept to a past experience, a familiar subject, or something you already understand. Now, coming to the last one, mind diet for memory. Look, your brain is an organ, so it needs fuel. Yes, the right fuel. So walnuts, dark chocolate, bananas, green teas are the mind diet for super memory. So you can eat these before you study and give your brain the ammunition it needs. And drink plenty of water because hydrated brain equals a sharper brain. Alright, so these are powerful memory hack secrets. If you want faster learning, sharper recall, and real 10x performance, start applying these hacks today. Because the person with the strongest memory will always outrun others.